This has Corey been somebody helping him learn how to put his ski boots on. Come on, Beanie. Right, can't be asked filming this anymore. Oh no, my fault. Let's just keep an eye on it. What happened? What happened? Ah, you don't use my excuse! Yeah. I don't think I would have been able to get back up the mountain for you without taking my boots off.
I don't think I would have been able to get up.
Yeah. It's alright, we'll just take it easy now.
Staying on the fucking blues now.
Well, this is a red.
It's blue.
It's a red, this, mate. This is a red 3. Well, it goes on to a red 3 then, doesn't it? No, that's blue 4, mate. That's blue 4. I think this is red. You okay? Did this shit yet? We'll just take it easy. Do you want me to get behind you? I'll get behind you, John, because if you fall and you pop your ski, I need to get it for you. What? What's up? What's those come loose again or something? Go on, go. Yeah, we're going straight across, mate. And look, you can't go down the ski lift. Well, good luck on it. It's like a black run. Oh, shizer. Loads of people here, mate. I'll get over there.
Have a look. See where they go. I'll scoot round to the right. Go on, Joe.
I'm just waiting for all these guys. Are you okay? This is what we're doing. He's still up there. He had a nasty fall. But he couldn't get back into his ski boots and stuff like that, so some guy was helping him. Yeah, well, ski. But he did use my excuse and say his binder come loose. I used it once, and my binder did come loose. Are we going down there? Why did he carry on? I surely saw him go past me, you know, and I said, Robbie, we're going that way, but I don't know if it was him. Oh. Yeah, so I'll just go. Are we going? I'm sure he went past me, you know. I'm sure he flew right down there. I saw a shouted Rob, and he just went, does it take us out at the same place? No, it was awful, that, wasn't it? He wasn't up there. He wasn't up there, by the way. John, are you alright doing this, or do you want to go down the blue one there? This is red. Are you sure? Yeah? Cool, let's go then. Where's Dave going? Dave, where are you going, mate? It's awful, isn't it? Absolutely awful when you fall. Ah, you fell. Ooh.